Hi everybody, happy Cinco de Mayo. I'm going to be talking today about a different kind of warm-up we can do to help get over our break. And you might say, wow, Emily, you talk about your break a lot. Well, that's kind of one of the biggest hurdles there is for singing. Two different voices, how do we get them to be the same, right? If you're wondering more details on the break and all those sorts of things, maybe having a better understanding of it, you can check out the Miss Emily's Voice Studio page for earlier videos about what your break is and other ways to overcome it. So today we're going to talk about another way to help us. A really nice warm-up to do is one that kind of slides through a perfect fifth. So some of you might not know what that means, but basically it's going that's the interval. If you're anything like me, you probably will enjoy E more. It helps you brighten up a little bit. E, so it goes right forward, okay? Now the tricky part about this would be you'd want to warm up a little bit first and then start over your break and work your way down. And then if that starts to feel comfortable, you want to work your way back up. The challenge there is going to be when you work your way back up, you might find it's a lot harder to overcome that break. So what I mean by what I just said, an example would be, so we're going E, and then we go down one, E, E. We're going down by half steps. If you have a piano, you can keep going. But then when you come back up, sometimes it's harder to get back over that hump. So here's what I would recommend. If you find one that you can't seem to get back over it without it sounding really weird or you're pushing or something, take the top note, E, and then come down, E, then go back up, E. What that'll help us do is start to kind of get those voices to be better friends, all right? So we're going to apply this in our daily lives by going out and doing something that is performing. We get scared all the time. One of the biggest things is, I used to be able to sing, but I can't anymore. That's not true. You can. You just have to practice. And a lot of the time people say, I can do it when I'm by myself, but I can't do it when I'm in front of people. Unfortunately, the best cure to that whole problem is doing it anyway. So I would challenge you that if you've been wanting to audition for your praise team at church, or you've been just wanting to go sing a karaoke song, or go to an open mic night, challenge yourself to get out and sing. Okay? Happy Cinco de Mayo!